So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add a testimonial slider to your Wix website. So first of all you have to come on this website called elfsight.com, and after coming on this website you have to click on widgets, and in the review section you go down there and see the testimonial slider. Click on it, and after that you have to click on create widget. As you can see, here are a bunch of templates you can choose uh, for your testimonial slider for your Wix website. I'll go with this one, and after choosing your favorite template, click on continue with this template. After that, you can see here there are a bunch of customization options you can do for your testimonial slider. You can also change the context and names of the testimonial persons or even the photo. So you can customize from A to Z in your testimonial slider. After finishing it, go for add to website. After coming on this page, you can see there are a bunch of customization options. You can customize your testimonial slider from A to Z however you like. And after finishing it, click on add to website. And after that, you have to sign up for your elfsight account. After that, you can see your testimonial slider is here. Just click on the save button and choose the subscription plan you want to go with. I'll go with this one. And after that, just copy this code. And now come to your editor.wix.com and click on add elements. After that, you see this option called embedded code, and in this option you go with embedded HTML. As you can see in this box, you paste the code you just copied and click on update button. And finally, here's the testimonial slider I want to put in my Wix website, and you guys also can do that just easily as like that. And if you find this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.